In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make portrait images for mobile apps in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the image generation section. Next, enter your prompt describing the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible so the AI can generate better results. After that, look for the aspect ratio or canvas size settings before generating your image. For mobile app portrait images, choose a vertical format such as 9:16 or any portrait orientation available inside Artistly AI. This helps create images that fit properly on phone screens, mobile apps, reels, stories, or vertical content. Once your settings are ready, click the Generate button and wait for the AI to create your image. If you want better results, you can also experiment with different art styles, lighting, camera angles, and quality settings available inside the platform. And that's it. That's how you create portrait images for mobile apps in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.